The problem statement is, are phytoremediation plants effective in controlling water pollution?
Aim to study the effectiveness of phytoremediation plants in controlling water pollution. Hypothesis: the roots of common water hyacinth can absorb ammonia found in lake water.
So the variables for this experiment, first is manipulated variable. The manipulated variable is the presence of water hyacinth. Next is the responding variable. The responding variable is reading of ammonia at the end of the experiment. And lastly, the constant variable is the volume of lake water.
For the materials that we are going to use for this experiment, we are going to need Cornea crucipes, also known as water hyacinths. Then we are going to need 10 liter of lake water, 100 milliliter of 10% ammonium chloride solution, some tap water, and lastly, we are going to need ammonia test kit. As for the apparatus for this experiment, we are going to need 2 glass container with a capacity of 5 liter.
Step 1. Remove dirt and mud from the water hyacinths. Step 2. Fill 2 glass containers with 5 liters of lake water and label them as A and B. Step 3. Insert 50 ml of 10% of ammonium chloride solution into each container. Step 4. Record the initial reading of ammonia in both containers using the ammonia test kit.
무심한 관심만큼 아픈 게 있을까 흑백 같은 시간 한치 앞도 모른 채 너를 헤매듯이 기다려온 느낌 전라 빈틈없이 너로 이어진 꿈에서 다 어둠에 갇힌 것처럼 두 눈을 감고서.
Step 5 of the experiment is to put 6 water hyacinths from step 1 into container A. Next, leave both glass containers A and B at room temperature for 7 days. And then, record the final reading of ammonia of both containers A and B after 7 days using ammonia test kit. And lastly, record the reading of ammonia in a table.
Here's the result of the experiment. At the beginning of the experiment, if we test the ammonia content by using ammonia test kit, the observation shows dark green for both container, and the reading of the ammonia content by referring fresh water ammonia color card, it shows 8.0 mg per liter, which is very polluted with ammonia. And at the container A, if we put 6 water hyacinth and container B will remain unchanged, the observation for the container A is decreasing in the reading of the ammonia, which is when you observe the color shows light green, and the reading of the ammonia by referring freshwater ammonia color card, it shows 2.0 mg per liter. And for the container B, at the end of the experiment remain unchanged, which is dark green and 8.0 mg per liter ammonia color card.
Question 1. Why must the common water hyacinth be washed first in step 1? The answer, to remove all the mud and dirt from the roots. Question 2. Name another plant that can absorb ammonia from water. The answer, Lamina species and Hydrilla species. Question 3. What is the effect of ammonia toward the aquatic ecosystem? The answer, it disrupts the food chain in aquatic ecosystem because when the ammonia concentration get high enough, it is difficult for aquatic ecosystem to sufficiently excrete the oxygen, leading to toxic build-up in internal tissue and blood and potentially lead to death. Conclusion, yes, the hypothesis is accepted. Thus, the root of common water hyacinth can absorb ammonia found in lake water.